alive working in club. Okay.
And then ako yung suka. Hello fans of Maki.
Good
Use
morning.
Maki Cook. And we will have a collab with Tracy Cook.
What's up, Luis? Ron. Nagyayay. Hello. Let's go marketing. It's lunchtime, kaya maingay na ulit.
Oh, there. Oh, it's Susan! Yeah! Hey, Chelsea!
Kakarating lang ni Val. Time check. Ano oras na? At 12 o'clock.
Kakakape ko lang guys, tapos magla-lunch na agad.
Now here at Del's. This is Shino's favorite, kaya dito tayo bibili ng food. Hindi ako babalik sa YouTube. Mahirap yun. I'm just trying it. To be honest, medyo mahal na siya for me. Pero at least, di ba, hindi siya fast food.
Compare mo naman sa BGC, well flour.
Ano masasabi natin doon? Correct daw. Okay, noted. Sisig!
Hi, everyone!
NSTP ka ba?
I'm naka-concealer!
Girl, it's not beauty.
Oh, shit.
Hindi nag-pons. Halata.
So guys, it's almost KTF and let's check what color works for Chino. Okay. Oh my god! I'm already in my set 11. So just 4 more na lang. Okay na ako. Na-revise ko na lang.
Gagamitin ko yun later yung ano. Alright! Ayan!
On her laptop, over the shoulder shot, close up,
talaga.
wide shot, extreme wide shots.
It's so cute! Well, walang nag-e-effort talaga sa cloak office. Birkenstocks!
Excuse me, nag-top in ako.
Yung sa akin nga, tingnan nyo, nawala ko yung rope. So my dad put out different. Actually,
Ang weird ng tasting.
okay!
Why is
May
it-
mga haters
why is it
tayo. May mga haters tayo dito. Haters gonna hate. Potatoes gonna potate.
They hate us because they ate us.
Ang labo na nitong vlog na to. This is our spread because it's Cluck Philippines' 8th birthday.
Sino may mga petit? Di mo nakaabang agad.
Ito yung number 1. Tingnan nyo. Naglalaway na siya. Naglalaway na siya.
Welcome to our joyful Thursday for this afternoon to celebrate.
Gutom na gutom ang cooker. Alright.
Charat!
Ganda.
You see the for the first game, it's for Manny Pacquiao. 1, 2, 3, go! Tertiary. 1, 2, 3, go! Card. 2, 3, go!
Talagang chine-challenge ni Jello ang Tagalog skills.
May second chance at Divine. Ano ang Tagalog ng mountain? 1, 2, 3, go!
Okay.
And that's it! Round of applause! Thanks for watching. Bye!